Hey, this is Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and I want to show you my Pulsar review. I've been building online businesses for over 10 years, so with all of my feedback and insights from my experiences, I'll be able to provide you with some ideas to help you make an educated decision on Pulsar. So let's go ahead and get started here. What is this? It's an AI SEO solution. It's a new software that uses AI to help you rank higher on Google and handles tasks like backlinks and content creation for you. Created by Radu, Mike, and Callan, Pulsar aims to make SEO simpler. Use Pulsar to boost your website traffic. It has an AI engine that focuses on getting you more traffic and better ranking. It skips old SEO methods and uses new AI tricks. Just add your link and the AI does the rest. This could help you profit big time. And so, how does it do it? It does it through automated SEO. It automates SEO tasks like backlinks and content and keywords. This makes it easy for anyone to use, even beginners. You can stash away some cash with less work. Start your own SEO agency. If you are building up your own business, if you want to help out local businesses, it's actually a very good market to go towards. You could pick a niche out of all the local businesses in your area and start providing your SEO services. I've done this in the past for many years, and it's something that is lucrative. And for anyone, I would say that anyone that wants to make some very good money quickly, this is one way to do it, especially if you're not shy, if you're willing to get on the phone or send some emails out, you could get some good business, very high paying customers, even tens of thousands of dollars. It is possible. Pulsar says it works in any niche, language, and county. This country. This makes it useful for many different online businesses. You can score big in just about any market. Pulsar claims to trick Google for higher rankings. This sounds good, but be careful. These tricks might not work forever. Will you hit the big time doing these types of things? So that's one thing that you need to know about. Once you step into SEO, there are different realms, different risk levels. And so I would say, to me, this could be considered a gray hat to even black hat strategy. It just depends on how you use it. And it's something that a lot of professional SEOs do. You just have to know how to be careful. And with this system, you'll be able to build up backlinks, but you have to do it in the right way. And just with anything, anything that has risk, you want to be able to learn and grow and learn from your mistakes as well. And that's pretty much how I learned from doing a lot of things and looking at the statistics, my ranking analytics to see how things change over time. And that's just a big part of SEO. So traditional SEO includes tools. It gives you more ways to improve your rankings. It's more of a complete SEO package. So you could reap the rewards using traditional methods as well. And here are the pros and cons. You get your fast rankings. It's easy to use. And its claims are pretty bold, and it might not be safe in the long run. It also will get your site penalized by Google. That's not an absolute, but it's something to prepare for sure. The creators, they are experienced professionals, all of them, and they have created this system. And you have the ability to tap into the software that they have built from their own experiences. So if you want SEO to be easier, if you want to build up backlinks with ease using AI, this is how you do it. Final thoughts on Pulsar. It's interesting, but just like anything that allows you to get results quickly, especially fast rankings, you got to be very careful. And I would say for the long term, it just depends if you want to build things for the long term or if you want to churn and burn. But can you make money off of it? I would say so. I've actually done a lot of these experiments with a lot of backlinks in the past, and it does work, but you have to be knowledgeable about SEO. And so if you are beyond a basic user or you want to actually climb into an advanced SEO professional, then this tool can help. If you want to learn a simpler way that doesn't include all these SEO risks, just go ahead and check out the link in my description and you'll be able to get my PDF. And again, this is focused on a simple way to help you earn income online. check out my free PDF. This is Charles Draven. Thanks for checking out my Pulsar review.